Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Either my Amazon affiliate link will be down below or their website. I'm not sure what it is yet until we open it. So let's take a look inside. Somehow they got this taped up pretty good. Oh boy, how do I open this? Alright, hold on one sec. Alright guys, so we got it in. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. And of course, you guys will get one of these at a low cost. All you gotta do is click that link down below. Check it out. Ooh. This is IMILAB. It's a video doorbell set, battery powered. I'm gonna have to get my other phone. MAILDAY. Right. So if you guys are looking for something different, and then instead of the rings, definitely give this a try. We'll set it up and everything, and you guys can tell how it looks. So I do believe this might be an Amazon. Alright, get out of here. There we go. There we go. Let's see what this looks like. And what's inside. So this is a ringtone sensor. Ooh, got antennas. You can put this anywhere, plug it in, and you can carry the Ring doorbell. Got a positioning card. Oh wow, this looks easy. So this goes this way. I have no clue. I'm going to have to figure this out. Like this. Ooh. I'm liking this. We got screws, USB cable. I'm going to install this on this video, so it might be a little long video today, but it'll be very interesting. Okay, got that. Bracket, another bracket, and then a manual. Definitely gonna need this. Alright guys, so we got it. Everything is installed. The app is working perfectly. Got it right there. I just gotta go to the add button right up here. And then click on that one, or it could scan. It'll take a few seconds, or it'll pop up down there as battery camera right there. So either or, just click on that, enter your Wi-Fi password, and then give it a few seconds to load up. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to install this outside. Probably a few second delay. That looks clear. Alright, we're going to go install this. So doorbell. That works. Then you'll get a notification. This will pop up. It'll be loading up. About 2 seconds. There's the notifications. There we are. And that'll show the doorbell event. Oops. There we go. So that's really cool. Simple, easy to use. Then you'll have messages down there, and it'll show back doors being activated. You can adjust the settings how you want it. Let's see if I can remember. Click on that. You can also share this device with your friends, family, co-workers. I don't need to sign up right now. All events will show there live. Just gotta click on that. So we got that situated. And click on that again. It'll load up. There we go. And then, yeah, we're gonna hook it up. Be right back. Alright guys, I got it installed. We are outside. Pretty dark out. Here we go. And then, see right here. Got that installed right there. Now I got my backup phone and doorbell. And now I'm going to pop this thing in and watch it do its magic. So it's pretty easy. It's actually nice out tonight. Just gonna slide it up. Perfect. See, it lights up. There you go. See, it's already letting me know that I'm outside. Don't mind that. My air conditioning is kicking in. It's going to take a second to load up. My phone is not the greatest, this one. Definitely nice thing to have once everything is fine. Just let me reconnect. I think it's because my Wi-Fi is kind of messed up. Okay. But yeah, everything works though. Once you walk by it, it'll be in motion. So that's what I'm going to use it to. This is my back gate. Beware of dog. But see, there it goes. There we go. Any second. Should be good to go. But yeah, everything works. And then, like I said, you can see through your app. And then check it out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.